The goal of many skilled auto mechanics is to open their own auto repair shop at some point in their career. But putting up an efficient, profitable shop will have you looking to acquire much more than mechanical skills. You'll need to stock your shop with lots of repair equipment, but we're not here to stack up a high credit card bill for you. So we want to keep things as simple as possible while having your shop stocked with the best equipment. Welcome to another episode of Tech Sector Weekly. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest uploads. Let's get into today's video. Battery charger and jumper. You know this better than we do, but many jobs will pertain to dead batteries or charging problems. Your shop will need a good battery charger and jumper to handle these services. You don't need to break the bank, but considering that you'll get a lot of these cases, it's pivotal to showcase your best equipment to your customers. Vehicle lift. Every mechanic needs to get under the vehicles to perform essential inspections and diagnostics. Your shop will need lifts to raise the vehicles to the height needed for these services. Match your needs to the various models and capacity of lift models. There are many characteristics that you need to consider, including safety features, 2-post versus 4-post construction, accessories, and power requirements. Be sure to buy lifts that are of high quality and name brand to ensure availability of parts and service. Lifts are an important investment for your repair shop as they're built to last many years. Air compressor. You'll need a reliable air compressor to operate many tools within your shop, including pneumatic hand tools and some auto lifts. Get your highest capacity you can afford to be sure you have the power you need for powering the needs of your shop. A good example would be a 60 or 120-gallon compressor. Jack stands, and pull jacks. Many auto repair shops require raising vehicles at least temporarily, so a strong floor jack will be utilized on a regular basis. Get a high-quality, high-capacity jack, and strong jacks stand out to support the vehicle once they're elevated. Pull jacks will also be useful to support axles and other components of raised vehicles. Brake lathe. Sure, when you're doing brake jobs, you can take rotors or drums to another service for resurfacing, but that's expensive and cuts into your time and profits. Buying your own brake lathe will make brake services more efficient and profitable, which means they'll quickly pay for themselves. Be sure to purchase a name brand lathe to ensure availability of replacement parts when needed. Strut compressor. A good strut compressor will be very useful when working on suspension systems. Having this item will add to your service capabilities and make your auto repair business profitable. Air conditioning machine. If you're going to offer air conditioning service, which we recommend you do, get an air conditioning machine that'll ease recovering, recycling, and recharging vehicle AC systems. This will make flushing and diagnosing AC systems faster and more reliable. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video and found it interesting, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.